Good day, everyone. Welcome to this Webicon 2022. I am Francis Dayan Mona, a secondary school teacher of the Division of Llano del Norte, Region 10, Northern Mindanao. The title of my study is Digital Literacy and Technology Integration in Teaching English, a Proposed Development Program. The rationale of the study: problem: cultured teachers tend to not be a risk taker to adopt the fast-growing technology. Importance: to take actions in what side of technology educators are lacking of. Literature: if one finds lapses or lacking in these hard skills, attending programs related to digital technology skills development to become digitally literate teachers and produce learners possessing globally competitive digital skills is essential, according to Grozhenska et al. 2013. Objective is to assess the integration of English teachers, digital literacy, and technology in teaching English. The timeframe of the study had been contemplated during the school year 2020-2021. Theoretical framework. There are three theories in this study. One, the connectivism learning theory by George Siemens, 2005, the RAT model by June Hughes in 2015, and the SAMR model by Dr. Ruben Fuentedoras, 2014. These theories highlight the importance of the role of technology in the teaching learning process. Reasons why I conducted this research: to assess the digital literacy and technology integration in teaching English among the junior high school English teachers of the Division of Llano del Norte. To determine English teachers' level integrating digital technology in teaching and the frequency of use of digital technology in teaching English. To craft development program based on the results of the study aiming to the honing of teachers' ICT or digital skills in the teaching learning process. Methods: this research utilized the descriptive correlation design. Pilot testing were done since it utilized an adapted instrument. Results and discussion: what is the teacher's proficiency level in using digital technology? The teachers were on the average level. They demonstrated general competency in a number of computer or digital applications. It supports the study of Olafson et al. 2019 that teachers with adequate digital competence can use various digital learning resources with the functionality of different educational software and digital tools. 2. What is the teacher's level of integrating digital technology in terms of awareness, learning the process, understanding and application of the process, familiarity and confidence, adaptation to other contexts, and creative application to new contexts? Results: teachers were on a familiarity and confidence level. They gained a sense of self-confidence in using digital tools or applications for specific tasks. It supports the study of Boabing and C. 2012. Teachers should be recommended to undergo training that will help further enhance their computer skills and knowledge. 3. How do teachers assess the frequency of use of digital technology? English teachers are resourceful in making their lessons lively and creatively through downloading pictures or images for literature lessons and in showing English digital video lessons. Teachers' use of technology should be strategic and supplement to the creativity of the lessons according to Piotrowski 2016. Teachers allowed their students to be expressive in writing a reflection paper and maintain an online journal or diary in their English class. 21st century teachers must allow learners to be expressive in what are their realizations about the English lessons presented to them using technology. Teachers need an extensive training on video editing and 3D modeling software for them to be extremely proficient in using a wide variety of digital technologies. 4. Is there a significant relationship between the teacher's proficiency level in digital technology and the teacher's frequency of use of digital technology. It showed a strong relationship between teachers' proficiency level in digital technology and their frequency of use of digital technology. English teachers' digital technology proficiency level enables them to utilize more digital technology in teaching English. Professional development methods are significant factors affecting teacher technology proficiency skills, according to Phillips, 2015. 5. Is there a significant relationship between the teacher's level in integrating digital technology and the teacher's frequency of use of digital technology? It revealed a strong degree of association between teachers' level in integrating digital technology and their frequency of use of digital technology in teaching. Essential integration of digital learning into class teaching, which does not benefit students only, but teachers would also have different gains in using digital technologies for specific tasks, according to Lin et al. 2017. 6. What development program can be designed based on the findings of the study? A development program can be designed in the form of trainings related to the utilization of digital technology, the strategies or activities, conduct trainings for the English teachers to acquire the ability to use a broad spectrum of digital technologies in their lessons, invite an expert who can give lectures and trainings on digital technology highlighting English lessons, engage in seminar workshop about using digital technology, and participate DepEd initiated programs such as LAC session, seminars, trainings, workshops, etc. related to the utilization of digital technology. Conclusions. Teachers are encouraged to not just stay on an average level, but to reach the advanced or expert proficiency level in utilizing digital technology in teaching English. English teachers have the capacity to be more creative in embracing new trends in education for achieving better outcomes in teaching learning process. To better support digital-based learning, teachers require explicit training for them to be equipped with technological skills in teaching English lessons. These are the references of this study. The impact or the outcomes of the study. This study anchored in accelerating the DepEd Order number 78, Series 2010, or the DepEd Computerization Program, in which digital literacy skills are contained in the implementation of the K-12 curriculum. This study also highlights the importance of ICT-assisted teaching, where teachers will have access to e-learning resources that have been mapped out against the curriculum and can be used in classroom teaching. A development program is crafted to support or develop teacher skills in the utilization of digital technology in teaching English. I learned that to be globally competitive teachers, we should adapt the educational trends in the digital age. Thank you, page 10, for this opportunity, and mabuhay.